Mauricio Pochettino dice que se tuvo que haber marcado la mano de Jorge Sánchez.
I wanted to tell the truth. The truth was that if that happened in the opposite half, in the another box, for sure it's penalty. What I'm going to say after your question about the handball in the 66 minutes, 67 minutes in the second half, is nothing to. I think because you listen a song, no, when finish the game that was Shorari, cry on cry. But I don't want to cry. I'm not going to cry. I wanted to tell the truth. The truth was that if that happened in the opposite half, in the another box, for sure it's penalty. Because we cannot talk about the rules. You say it's silly penalty, silly penalty. It's like plenty of penalties that are so silly. Silly, yes. The player was with the knee on the floor. He pushed the hand over the ball. It's not that the hand was on the floor and the ball touched. Okay, what the excuses now? But that was penalty, and maybe 2-1 for us, and maybe we were celebrating the trophy. I think that is clear, and it's not about to cry. It's not about to complain. It's not about to put excuses in the different things. But I think we can continue talking. For me, it was embarrassing to see that situation, and it's a shame because I understand that maybe 70,000 people, giving this penalty. It's not easy, but maybe again, or four, maybe it's easier. No? And yes, that is what we need to learn also. Yes, I am so proud of the team. Keep going, keep fighting, keep pushing. 1 year to the World Cup, too many positives to take.